Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm super excited. I am partnering with CUPSHE to show you some of my favorite looks for this holiday season. Now that Halloween's officially over, it's time for Christmas. I feel like I need to change this into my Christmas tree now because, I don't know, I'm over it. I was telling Scott last night, I was like, we should put up our Christmas tree after Halloween. I never used to be one of those people, and he was like, absolutely not. But we're not home for the holidays very long because we go out of town. But then he was talking to one of his coworkers who is Canadian, and they actually don't celebrate Thanksgiving, so they put up their Christmas stuff right away. So he's like, maybe you're onto something. And I'm like, I like that. I like that. So I'm excited to share with y'all some of my favorite looks that I picked up from CUPSHE. They did a partnership with Gabby. All the details for the products that I mentioned with the collaboration is going to be in the description box down below. Before we go ahead and jump into the actual looks, I wanted to let you guys know about CUPSHE's scavenger hunt. They're doing a holiday scavenger hunt, which I'm for. Look at this little golden ticket. Doesn't it remind you of Willy Wonka? They are launching a challenge. So if you want to go ahead and participate in this holiday challenge, you can use the links in the description box down below. With my exclusive coupon code KF15, it will automatically enter you in the scavenger hunt and get you that holiday super cute packaging. I'm a sucker for packaging. And you might also win huge prizes. I've heard through the grapevine that they're comping orders, like giving free orders away, and also up to $500 cash. Definitely a great time to check out CUPSHE. I swear they have some of the cutest holiday dresses. Go ahead and check out the description box and enter into their holiday scavenger hunt. So if you're into Instagram as well, if you go ahead and place your order and feature their holiday packaging on your Instagram and tag, they have additional 10 grand prizes for that as well. So lots of fun holiday giving and all that. I love that. So all right, so I am a sucker for black on black, like total blackout look for like holidays. I don't know, I just think it's really classic, really timeless, and you can't go wrong. And you can wear it like all the time, but I absolutely love for the holidays, like black tights, black shoes. You'll see a lot of that. All right, so this first dress, absolute favorite style. I love this high cross neck situation with the shoulders out. Put a little bit of like a shimmery body oil on your shoulders. This is stunning. This style of dress, they do a lot. I have a red linen one from them that I'm obsessed with, but this black satiny silk one, literally stunning. It has good weight to it too, so it like flows on the body really beautifully. It has a little button in the back that hooks, kind of like a hook and eye, and then it drapes so beautifully over the neck. I love this. I just feel like it's such a classic, beautiful like silhouette and looks good on so many people's body type. It's almost like an elevated A-line, but it's actually, I mean, it's not an A-line dress. It's a shift dress, but I love the neckline, and I think it is such a classic, beautiful fit. You can wear your hair down, you can put it up. So many different ways to wear this with a red lip and black on black. You are good to go. It is stunning. Moving along with my black theme, I have this little black sequin dress, which again is a shift dress. If you can't tell, I like what I like, okay? So this is a little fun though, because it's got that little like sequin on it, but it's a very subtle sequin because it is black sequin on black mesh, and again it is lined. This has that beautiful neckline as well. Love this. There's no cross detail, but love just the basic neckline on this. This is so pretty. Again, so fun if you're going someplace that's a little bit more festive and everyone gets really into it, then definitely I would wear this dress. So cute. Again, with just black tights and black heels, I think this is perfect. You could go with a black jacket or this little fuzzy one that I think is so pretty. But absolutely love the shape and style of this dress and the fun sequins. Okay, this next one is also a very big top runner. Again, black. I think you can't go wrong with black for the holidays, and you can always spice it up with a red lip. I don't know. I do have some classic holiday prints in here, but we're getting all the black out of the way because it's my favorite. I love the material of this dress. It's kind of like a ribbed, but I don't know how to explain it, like a folded material. I don't know if you can see it really well on the camera, but I love this style of open neck with the tie back. So pretty. I actually have a dress like this in light blue from them that's like more of a long line dress, but this is cool because it has this like tiered look to it with a thick band under the breast area. This is such like boob friendly, okay? Big boob friendly girls, this is gonna be your favorite, I swear. Or even little girl. Like, there's just enough room in this. I love this. Absolutely stunning. Has a little bow in the back to tie. I just think this is a fun, elevated way to wear a little black dress, and I'm kind of into it. I love this material. It's very just like, I don't know, soft, but also just interesting because it's got the detail of like the folded lines, and it's got this like little bit of a sheen to it when it catches the light. So pretty. All right, let's get into like classic casual, let's say like going to visit Santa, holiday party that's much more casual. Cannot go wrong with a little plaid mini skirt. Mini skirts are huge, and I'm very particular about my mini skirts because I just feel like I'm at an age where short is a little too short, but this is honestly the perfect length, and I love that it's high-waisted. It has a little zipper to get in and out of. It's got this classic plaid print. I'm obsessed. The navy blue with the red and the green and the yellow. Like, I don't think you can get a more classic like plaid look to it. It's lined with like a soft satin. So pretty. Perfect, just like structured look. It's kind of a thicker material on the outside, which is nice because it really holds really well. Love this. So many ways you can pair that. You can do a black bodysuit underneath. You can do a black sweater. You can also do this little white cream. I like that this is already meant to hang off the shoulder. I don't know if you can see, like the detail is thicker on this side than it is on this, so it kind of like perfectly lays over the shoulder like that. So cute. Beautiful little like cream cable knit design. Love this. And I also really like that it's off the shoulder because a lot of girls like to wear off the shoulder sweaters and they like stretch out their neck. This is already meant to be that way. So absolutely love this. Perfect amount of oversized, super cute, tucked into that. Also just with jeans or something like that. Adorable. All right, I told you I got some more festive, different colors besides black. This is a little out of my comfort zone. If you're a pink girl, you'll probably love this. It is a pink with like a rose gold sequin, sheer sleeves, like full like pink backing in the main dress, and then it's got this pink velvet, which velvet is very holiday to me. It screams holiday with sequins. Very cute. Love the scoop at the bottom, like the rounded. I just feel like it's much more feminine and really kind of like accentuates the legs, if you know what I mean. Super cute. A little bit of outside of my comfort zone with the pink, but I still really like it. And I know anybody who likes like a soft, more feminine look for the holidays, you will love this. I do not own like a little fuzzy fur coat like this, and I feel like especially living in Illinois where it's cold, you need something to throw over, like you just do. Even if you wear like a real coat over it, you need something cute to just can keep you warm if you're out and about. Love this fuzzy, oh, it's so freaking soft. Satin lined in the inside, so cute. It does have a little hook and eye up at the top if you'd like to hook it. I like to just throw it over my shoulders, but this is stunning. And you can wear this with everything. Over any of the dresses, it would look super cute, but it would also look great with jeans and a bodysuit and stuff like that. So it's giving Abominable Snowman, but in all the right ways. The next one is just such a classic fit of a dress. I think this would be so cute for actually Christmas Day, where maybe you have a toddler like me and you have to be on the floor and you just want a dress that's gonna cover you but also still look super festive. So same pattern as that skirt. It's got the bubble, like ruched, like kind of 3/4 sleeves here, and then it's got the bungee band here with a tie around the side. So you can wear this with tights if you're a little bit more conservative, with some flats, or I mean, I don't know about you guys, when I am in holiday mode, I am not wearing any shoes because I'm in someone's house. But if you're a family who dresses up, you can pair this with black heels, so cute, flats, or your slippers. I don't know. But I love this, and I feel like this is a perfect plaid classic Christmas dress that's a bit more conservative if you are conservative like myself. So that is that, and then let me show you what they gave me as little gifts in my holiday bag. This came with a cute little thing. So if you're ordering this for a gift, imagine this under the Christmas tree. So cute. Love this. So you've got a little Merry Christmas and some stickers. I'm totally giving these to Arlo. He's gonna be obsessed. And then I have 2 different bras. So CUPSHE now has bras, and I know bras can be just so expensive, but especially around the holidays and stuff when we have fun events coming up, we have to reach for those bras that we don't maybe have in our collection, or they just don't fit that well or whatever. So it's nice that CUPSHE has some super affordable ones. And this is a nice fitting strapless bra. This is so cool because it's like insanely customizable. You have this back strap here, but you have this. So they come in small, medium, large. So it's like a very generic cup size, but then you can stretch and figure out whatever band you are. Amazing. So this has got that stretchy, like grippy feel to it. Or they have these little clear plastic straps that hook onto it. So if you have a backless dress, but you need some support, this. I think this is such a genius idea, and I'm so happy that CUPSHE has bras on their site for an affordable rate. They're super soft, super squishy. They do have an underwire under here, and I'm here for it. I need a good strapless bra, so this came in perfect for holiday season. The other options they have, you guys know I'm a big fan of like boob tape and stuff, but they have these, which are really cool. So these you just kind of, they've got like a mesh paneling to them. Put them on the boob and then lift it up if you need a little, you know, lift. Especially in that black dress, this would be such a good idea because the back is backless. So if you just want a little lift and, you know, a little bit more cleavage, these are awesome. So if you're looking for good little bras to add to your collection that aren't going to be insanely expensive, plus you get to use that coupon code for your holiday dresses, I definitely recommend checking out CUPSHE. So they officially have it all. They just literally have it all. So that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed my little holiday festive clothing haul for this holiday season from CUPSHE. Again, don't forget to check out the description box down below to see if you are a lucky winner. I am fingers crossed for you guys, okay? And yeah, all the details, all the sizing and everything that I picked up will be in the description box down below. I love you guys so much. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video real soon.